You are welcome to Remit Trade Academy. My name is Paradise and I'll be bringing you this cryptocurrency video. In today's video, I'll be looking at the Bitcoin price and what you should be expecting after this insane breakout on this very strong support level. Market go right down to this area. So what you should be looking out for right now after this fake out in the market, and also on ETH USDT chart, the market come right here to this very strong resistance level, this trend line, and after that we see a fake out, market go right down into this level. So what you should be expecting in the next coming days right now in this very video. So watch the video to the end. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn the bell notification so that anytime I upload a new video, you will be notified. So let's jump right into today's video. If you look at this very analysis, I was the only person that was talking about this descending triangular pattern on Bitcoin. If you look at this very pattern, so person we're talking about a wedge which should be a reversal pattern to the upside, and somebody can make a case and say that this market is still in the wedge formation. There's no problem about that. But if you look at this very area, I did not give this very signal on the signal group. Reason because this very market right here was already at overbought condition at this point, so it wasn't a good time to take a trade. I was waiting for a retest after the breakout. You know, we have two kinds of trading methods. Either you are aggressive, enter immediately after the breakout, or you wait for a retest after the breakout on this very trend line. So the market was already at resistance, and if you look at the stochastic, it was already at the overbought condition. So that is why we did not place a trade here on BTC and also on ETH USD chart. So if I go back to this area, we see this insane breakout, and I said if the market break out to the downside after this fake out, you suppose know that this market after this fake out and then a breakout on this very support level that creates a new close, that close below every other close within this area of support, then that means market is going to go down, and exact the same thing happened right here. Market is down to about $600,000, which I was predicting in my previous video. So what I am expecting right now on BTC USDT is a little push to downside before we see the market retrace. Now, this move that's going to happen in the market is not an impulsive move, because if we take this as an impulsive move, then we are expecting the market to retrace to the upside slightly, maybe come to this very area of support, which would now turn resistance before the market will go back down again. So we want to see a fail swing that will confirm that the bears that move the market to the downside are no longer willing to move the market in this very area. So first thing, what I am looking out for right now is a turn, that is a retracement to the upside after this very impulsive move on BTC USDT. So if you were stop out after this breakout, if you're an aggressive trader, that means you enter aggressively at this point. There is no need to panic. I still believe you place your stop loss and you take appropriate risk management strategy. So that is that for BTC USDT. If you look at this on the Bitcoin dominance, we see a spike out on this area, and the market come right down to this level, and right now market have come back into this area to this level of 40% level on this area. So this also means that this rejection is very important to us. If we continue to see the market move right down, even though we are seeing on the Bitcoin price that this very strong support level have been broken to the downside, we could still see the market right back up and break this support level, which will turn resistance into the upside again in the market in the next coming days. So why I always use this Bitcoin dominance is because it gives you a clear view of what BTC and other major altcoins is going to do when Bitcoin go right down or go up in the market. ETH USDT here, we see market react to this very strong resistance level on this area. We have a very strong rejection on this very move. So if you look at this rejection, very important. I also say that this could potentially be a market that will be in a range in this formation. That market could potentially come back down and go up. That you should look out for a breakout on this resistance line and a breakout on the support line. So what we'll see is a breakout on the support line and market go right down to this very area. So the same thing, what I am looking out for is a retracement to the upside. So market go right down, and I want to see the market come back to this area before we see retracement to the market. This support line could potentially turn resistance before the market will go back down to this area again. So this is exactly what I am looking out for in the next coming days on ETH USDT chart. What do you think the BTC and ETH chart is going to do in the next coming days? Comment below. What is your projection? Will Bitcoin still dip right down? Will Ethereum still dip right down? Let me hear your thoughts. If you are new to this channel, please help subscribe to the channel, hit that like button, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you receive updates like this. If you're not registered on Binance, OKX, Crypto.com, and Bybit to receive $600 bonus, check the description of this video right now and do your registration right away. Thank you very much for watching today's video, and I will see you in the next video.